Did you know that 90% of millionaires made their fortune through real estate? And experts predict that 2025 is going to be one of the most pivotal years for real estate investing in the last decade. If you're not in the game yet, you might just be leaving money on the table. Watch until the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Hey everyone, I'm Scott, real estate investing expert here at Exodus Capital. I've spent years helping people just like you get into the real estate market, build passive income, and create generational wealth. In this video, we're diving into why 2025 is the year to start investing, and most importantly, how you can make it happen. So grab a pen, hit that button, and let's get started. Let's face it, real estate hasn't been easy to navigate lately. Prices have skyrocketed, interest rates have been climbing, and economic uncertainty is making a lot of people hesitate. You might even be asking, is it too late for me to invest in real estate? Well, let me tell you this. Opportunities haven't disappeared. They've just shifted. And if you know where to look, 2025 could be your breakout year. Here's the reality. Rents are rising. Homeownership is getting tougher for many people, which means demand for rental properties is going up. If you own property, you're in control. But waiting on the sidelines? That could cost you big. So why am I so confident about 2025? For starters, experts are predicting interest rates will stabilize or even decline. Combine that with market corrections happening in certain areas, and we've got some prime opportunities for investors to step in. Think of it this way. While others are sitting back worried, smart investors are taking action. I always say you don't wait to buy real estate. You buy real estate and wait. Because whether it's a rental property, a house flip, or even a multi-family unit, real estate remains one of the safest investments to hedge against inflation and grow your wealth. If you're ready to stop waiting and start building wealth, now's your time. At Exodus Capital, we've created a step-by-step real estate investing course designed for anyone, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your investments. You'll learn how to find the right deals, finance your properties, and maximize your returns. Hit the link in the description to check out the course, and don't miss your shot at changing your financial future. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I met someone named Sarah. She was skeptical, just like you might be. She was renting, living paycheck to paycheck, and convinced real estate was out of her reach. But with the right strategies, and the same ones we teach in the course, Sarah bought her first rental property. Fast forward 2 years, and she owns 3 properties that pay her more in monthly cash flow than her old job ever did. Sarah's story proves that real estate is for everyone. If she can do it, so can you. So, what makes real estate investing with Exodus Capital different? First, we simplify the process. No jargon, no fluff. You'll learn how to identify profitable properties, even in competitive market. Creative financing methods so you can invest even if you think you don't have the money. The proven systems we use to generate monthly cash flow and grow equity over time. How to build a real estate portfolio that sets you up for life. You're not just getting theory, you're getting actionable tools to start investing and winning. I get it. Real estate can seem overwhelming. Maybe you think you don't have enough experience, enough money, or enough time. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. At Exodus Capital, we guide you every step of the way so you're never alone. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. Staying ahead of the curve can give you a significant advantage in the market. One of the most significant trends is the rise of smart homes and technology integration. Properties equipped with smart systems for security, energy management, and convenience are becoming increasingly attractive to buyers and renters. Investing in tech-forward properties can provide a competitive edge. Remote work has also impacted the real estate market. With more people working from home, there's a higher demand for properties that offer dedicated office spaces and high-speed internet connectivity. Investing in properties that cater to this new way of working can attract a broader range of potential tenants or buyers. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, don't wait. Click the link below, check out our real estate investing course, and let's get started building your path to wealth. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who needs to hear this message. Let's make 2025 your year to win in real estate. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but the first step starts today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy investing. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what advanced strategies you're excited to try. Until next time, happy investing.